Clampdown. Prison authorities announced new plans to tackle cell phones and other contraband behind bars. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, nothing to report why the acting commissioner is concerned when cops make that claim.
Helping Hand. Adventists offer help to Cornwall Regional Hospital.
Defining debt. Why MPs spent today talking about how much Jamaica owes.
Stranded. The sad tale of a Filipino crew trapped in Jamaican waters.
And in the business day, hike petrol prices to inch up.
There is also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
The National Security Ministry has announced new measures to clamp down on the smuggling of cell phones and other contraband in maximum security facilities. What's your reaction to the plan?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet @Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.